In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Nova to Pump.Fun. Before you connect anything, make sure your Nova wallet is fully set up on your mobile device. If you haven't done that yet, install the Nova Wallet app, then either create a new wallet or import an existing one. As you do this, be sure to back up your recovery phrase securely and keep it private. You'll also want to fund your wallet with enough SL to cover both token purchases and Solana network fees, since transactions on the platform will require that balance. Once your wallet is ready, open your web browser and go to the official Pump.Fun website. Take a moment here to verify that you're on the correct site before connecting your wallet. This is an important safety check because when you connect a wallet, you always want to make sure you're interacting with the real platform and not a copy or imitation. After the homepage loads, look for the Connect Wallet button and click it. A list of supported wallet connection methods will appear. At this point, check whether Nova Wallet is shown directly in the list. If it is, simply select Nova Wallet and then approve the connection request inside your wallet app. If Nova Wallet does not appear as a direct option but Wallet Connect is available, choose Wallet Connect instead. A QR code should appear on the screen. Then open Nova Wallet on your phone and look for the Wallet Connect or Scan QR feature. Use that feature to scan the QR code displayed on Pump.Fun. Once the request appears in Nova Wallet, review it carefully and approve the connection. When the connection prompt appears, always take a second to review the request details. Confirm that the site requesting access is the official Pump.Fun domain. If everything looks correct, tap Approve or Connect in your wallet. After that, your wallet address should appear on the Pump.Fun website, which lets you know the connection was successful. Once connected, you can begin using Pump.Fun. That includes buying supported tokens, selling tokens, creating a meme coin, and signing transactions directly through Nova Wallet. Keep in mind that every blockchain transaction will require your approval in the wallet, so read each prompt carefully before confirming anything. That's all there is to it. Set up your wallet properly, connect it through the correct method, verify the website, and approve the request. Once you've done that, you're ready.